Now, you can buy in like any store that sells them things for the small stuff, usually plastic, sometimes wood. You can buy glass, or you can get them organizing products. Boom. Now, what I do is when they're empty, I run them through my dishwasher. I find that that gets the labels to just peel off in one big piece as soon as I take them out, because that's what I do. Run them through the dishwasher, and when the dishwasher's done, I open it up, I pull out the jar, and the label just easier than a Band-Aid. I have heard from someone that they're concerned that the label will like power off and get all chunky and clog up their dishwasher. That is a valid concern. It's never happened to me, but if that's your concern, you can do a couple things with that. Hand wash them. Use vinegar and hot water. It'll ungunk the gunk. It'll release the adhesives that make the glue stick. You can also use something like Goo Gone. I hate it, not because it's not effective. It's totally effective. I have sensory issues and cannot abide the smell. If that is not a problem for you, go right ahead. I would rather have my house smelling like vinegar than having anything in my home smell of Goo Gone. And what's really fun is, even if the label doesn't come off, duct tape, sticky paper, stickers. We love stickers in my family, as you can probably tell. Just, if your house has a decor, that's not nerd like it is in my family, make it however you want. We're big on labels. Shay, Kate Space. So that's one of the ways that my kids know how to put things back. Everyone except the husband is atypical, and memory, not so much. Like a house full of Dories. Labels help. A lot. And you can see everything that we use it for. Lactaid pills, desk supplies, so much hair stuff. Our bathroom has so many jars. I don't think I've bought a small container ever. No. So I hope you've seen an idea of how you can organize your space, and I hope you'll find what you're looking for in your kitchen or pantry or pharmacy